Moreno, the General Commissioner of Ecuador for the Expo Milan 2015, and also part of Pro Ecuador, an institution that is in charge of promoting the export products of Ecuador and attract investments in Ecuador. Problems of malnutrition is occurring in the rural areas. So the problem is the lack of quantity of food in some cases, and the lack of resources to buy the food they need, especially in the kids. So the malnutrition starts with that, and also a very poor knowledge about how nutrition should be managed, especially in the kids. So usually they eat mainly the products they can cultivate, so there's not a balanced diet, because they cultivate only products from the mountains, and probably they are not able to get products from the other parts in Ecuador and combine and have not only cereals but also meat, dairy products, and some other products there, I think, make a balanced diet. Big problem was from some rural areas to get to the urban areas, and also to get products from the urban areas because of the lack of roads. And was one of the main things that the government did, this government did when they started 8 years ago, is building and rebuilding the roads. Now we have a very good system of roads all over the country, and this is helping to have better food products all over the country, and also to develop this kind of project that the government is doing to help public schools to reach even the farthest school in the mountains. So it's not only to the cities, it's not a program only for the urban schools, but especially to rural schools, in order to give the children a possibility to study with a full stomach, and not only full but full of aliments, products, food that is well balanced and especially natural. Mainly what they have been used is fruits like a banana and things like that in the morning, and also cereals like quinoa and rice, and not rice but corn and other cereals that can combine and even how I said, very interesting foods for kids. So it's not only a plate that maybe is healthy, but the kids don't like it, like cookies made with quinoa and things like that, that the kids can enjoy eating something healthy. Two types of reactions now. Some people that is happy with that, because now in a most friendly way they can easily identify the products that can be healthier. The problem has been that since still is this system that is developing, is the characteristics of defining which products are really for green light and which products are for red light, because sometimes just the amount of sugar that a product has probably is not enough to put it in red, or sometimes if a product doesn't have sugar, it's not enough to put it in green. So I think this is something that the government is studying year by year in order to analyze how to specify better the quality of this green or red or yellow condition for the products. So far, even the companies are getting educated well in how they have to process their products, and they are more conscious about okay, what kind of elements or products I shouldn't use in order to get a red light or things like that. The idea in the first place was to help Ecuador, or the Ecuadorian people, to get a better nutrition, because one of the main problems in Ecuador from the health point of view was the Ecuadorian, we are very propense to diabetes. So the idea was to start to correct a little bit that tendency by helping the people in Ecuador educate about how they eat.